say the morning. Very, yes, very good. Yes, very good. Now everyone say good morning, children. You will say thank you, ma'am. Okay, when I will say good morning, children, you will say thank you, ma'am. Okay, now what is the date today, children? What is the date today? Today is 27th of July. Okay, and what day is there? Today is Tuesday. Okay, so I'm taking the class from your nursery C, from Cathedral. I'm taking the class, and very good. A big round of applause for Kashvi. She has said the morning prayer. Very happy. And now from tomorrow, one child I am giving you charge. Okay, tomorrow Advika Shukla will say the morning prayer. Alright? So in this yes, tomorrow you will say the morning prayer. Join at tomorrow is tomorrow is the Hindi period, na? No problem. When we will join for the 9:30, so you will say the morning prayer. Okay, children. So what day is there? Yes, what day is there? Today is Tuesday. Okay, and what date is there? Today is 27th of July. Okay, now July month will finish in 4 days, and उसके बाद July के बाद what month comes? After July, what month comes, children? What month comes after July? Ah, very good. Yes, after July. Yes, what month comes after July? August. Okay, and this is the rainy season month. You know, July, August, September, ये सब क्या होते हैं? Rainy season होते हैं. We have got 4 seasons: summer, winter, rainy, spring. Okay, summer, winter, rainy, spring, and there's one autumn also. I will tell you in the nature study class. But अभी कौन सा सीजन चल रहा है? अभी रेनी सीजन इज गोइंग ऑन, बिकॉज बाहर बारिश होती है ना? कल रात में भी इट वॉज रेनिंग. व्हेन आई केम टू माई स्कूल टुडे, आई पार्क्ड माई कार. It was water, you know, all water logging, you know, it was water. You know, it was raining yesterday. Yesterday in the night it was raining very heavily. You know, it was Ajaz raining very heavily. So when it is raining, what do you use? You use an umbrella. क्या जब बारिश होती है तो तुम लोग हाथ में क्या पकड़ते हो? What do you hold in your hand? You use you use an ambi. Yes, ambi. Yes, very good, Vaishnavi. You use an umbrella, you wear your raincoat, है ना? आप raincoat पहनते हो. You use an umbrella in the rainy season, जब बारिश होती है. So July, August, September, 3 months are the rainy season. हमारी इंडिया में, हमारी कंट्री में जो जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर 3 months हैं, they are called the rainy months. The rainy season starts. You know, mainly rainy season starts by 20th of June, but July, August, September, they are the 3 rainy season months. Okay, children? Now, children, this is your English class. See, I am showing you something today. I am going to teach you from my chart. Now, look there, children. Everyone look there. Now, look there. See my chart. This is a phonic drill chart. Today I have set my page like this. See, this is a phonic drill chart, children. Now look here, look towards the chart. Everyone look towards the chart, children. Look towards the chart. Now this is letter A. I am going to teach you the phonic drill, the revision of the phonic drill. What is this? Which letter? Please mute your audios first. Mute your audios, everyone, please. Otherwise there will be be lot of disturbance. Okay, which letter is this? Letter A. So what sound does A makes? A. A says A. Okay, A says A. Okay, which is the next letter? B. B. So what sound does B make? देखो, see, B says ba. B says yes. Yes, tell me what happened. अब दिख रहा है? अब दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? Okay, now it is all right. Okay, I will do like this. I will teach you like this. Okay. Now see, what first letter is letter A. So what sound does A make? A. The next letter is B. So what sound does letter B make? Ba. Then C says ka. D says da. Okay. E says A. F says ha. G says ga. H says ha. I says choti e. J says ja. I से क्या साउंड निकलता है? E. I for आइसक्रीम. E. J says j. K says ka. L says la. M says ma. M for moon. M for mango. Bhavya, look in front. Look towards my chart. M says ma. N says na. O says o. Orange. Ox. O. P says pa. Q says quav. Quill. Queen. Quilt. Quav. R says ra. Ra. Rat. Okay, R says ra. Ra. R for rain. Yesterday I told you, na? I taught you R for rain. R for rainbow. When it is rainy season, you see a rainbow in the sky, na? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. Rainbow देखते हो sky में? R says ra. Rainbow. 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 Okay. Now today we are going to do the letter S. S says sa. S says sa. T says ta. T says ta. So I am going to do till letter T today. S and T. S says sa. And T says ta. T for tree. T for tomato. है ना? T for tub. T-U-B tub. Okay. S for sun. S for ship. Okay. S says sa. Sa. Okay. So these are the phonic drill, children. This you have to learn it, because when you will learn it, then only you can do the reading later on. In KG class also, when you will do the reading, if you know the sounds, so you can read it very nicely, children. Okay, children? Vaishnavi, don't make faces. So you have to learn these phonic drills. Okay, children? So this is there. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, then J, J, K, K, L, L, M for moon, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, and T, T. T, T. T for tomato. T for tree. S for sun. Sa. S says sun. Sa. Sa. S says sa. Sa. हिंदी में आप स लिखते हो ना, स से सरौता. स. S says sa. for sun. Okay, children, now take out your English copies. Everyone, take out your English copies, children. Everyone, take out your English copies. Now, today we are going to write. Take out your English copies, children. So, we are going to write today. We have done Q, R yesterday we did. So, today we are going to do letter S. So, we are going to do the letter S. Take out your English copies. Write CW. Everyone, write CW. Write today's date 27/7-7-21. Now, how you are going to write S, children? Red line to blue line. Make a curve like this. Then turn. Again, make a curve like this. Okay, red line to blue line, make a curve, then turn like this. Red line to blue line, make a curve, half circle, then the other half circle like this. Come on, Saad, do your work. Red line to blue line like this. Red line to blue line, half circle, C, curve, and then another curve, half circle. Okay, and S says sir. S says sir. The sound comes sir. What sound comes? Sir. Vaishnavi, Tejas, Arush. Okay. Now again, red line to blue line, you will write like this. Make C and then turn. Make C and then turn. Make C and then turn. Okay? Make a half circle and then again a half circle. Turn. Now coming on the top, again half circle C and turn. Half circle C and turn. Another half circle. Curve, turn. Curve, turn. Red line to blue line, turn. Okay? Like this, children. See? And use a sharp pencil, everyone. And mummy will not do the work. You will follow my instructions. You have to do the copy as I am teaching you. Agrima, do your work. Mummy will not help you. Just see how ma'am is making. See the formation. Everyone see the formation, children. Okay. Like this. See? You have to make like this. Nicely. Okay. Like this you are going to make. See? S. 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 And S for sun. अब sun तो सबको बनाना आता है ना? Make a circle. Big line, small line, big line, small line, big line, small line, big line, small line, big line, small line. See? Then again a circle. Big line, small line, big line, small line, big line, small line, big line, small line, big line. See? See? And now? Then again a... Yes. See, Yuvan, I am showing my copy only today. Today I am not showing you the blackboard. Today I am showing my copy. Achha. Okay. Son, we have done in the plain drawing copy also, no? In the plain drawing, in the that coloring book also we did one day with the matchstick. Yes, activity. So you are going to make sun like this. Make a circle, then like this. Big line, small line, big line, small line. Then again a circle. Big line, small line, big line, small line, big line, small line, big line, small line. Like this. Okay, S for sun. S for Tejas. Do your work. S for sun. Manvi. Okay, now on this page You are going to draw. I am going to teach you S for ship. सन तो सबको आता है ना. अब मैम आज शिप आपको बताएंगी. सी हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक अ शिप. आप जैसे बोट बनाते हो लाइक दिस, स्लैंटिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, slanting line. See, this is a ship. A ship. This is a ship. Even because just now you can't draw a big ship, so I am teaching you like this. And ship goes in the water. Who is crying? So this is water. Okay. This is water. Actually, ship is a big version of boat. Boat is small and ship is very big. है ना. Ship goes in the sea. Sea जो बड़ा सा समुद्र होता है ना, सी होता है. आप वहाँ पे शिप देखते हो. एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस में शिप जाते हैं. जब आप if you have gone to Goa, there you see the ship. Ship is sailing in the sea. In Bombay also there are big ships. Because in Lucknow we don't have a sea ना. In Lucknow there is no sea, no samudra, no sea. जहाँ पे पानी है, water ही water है. यहाँ पे तो गोमती रिवर है, उसमें बोट चलती है. There is no ship going. Ship is not sailing here. It is in Bombay. When you are going to Bombay, you see the sea. Calcutta also there is a sea. Visakhapatnam, Goa, all the states in India, there are some where there is sea and there is ship. Ship is sailing. Okay? Ship is sailing. And ship कौन चलाता है? आपको पता है ship कौन चलाता है? Captain. Yes, ship जो है, ship को कौन. हाँ, देखो जैसे आप जब एरोप्लेन में जाते हो तो एरोप्लेन कौन चलाता है? एरोप्लेन पायलट चलाता है. पायलट. हाँ. और शिप कौन चलाता है? कैप्टन. ओके. शिप कौन चलाता है? कैप्टन. अब देखो शिप. यस, नॉट लाइक दिस. यस, लाइक दिस. यू आर गोइंग टू मेक like this, and then a flag and water, and color it with the blue. Color the water with the blue, children. Okay, Arhan? Or shape of the ship is like this. S for ship. S for sun. Do like this, children, everyone. S for sun. Yeah, I'm showing you it. I'm taking out this copy, this book. See, S. S for ship. S for snake. My God, snake. S for sofa. S for shoes. Your papa wears these type of shoes. देखो, shoes. S for shoes. S for sofa. S for snake. S for snake. Okay, I am going to show you once again. See, look my blackboard. How you are going to make it like this? You are going to S like this. Right, CW. Okay, S. Huh? also, na? Name is Saida. S for Saida. S for yes, yes. Now see, like this. S. हाँ अनिका, अब देखो तुम लोग कैसे बनाओगे एस एस कैसे ड्रॉ ऐसे बनाओगे लाइक दिस यस एस फॉर शिप एस फॉर शिप 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 एस फॉर सन ओके एस फॉर सोफा and S for snake. Oh God. See, I am going to draw a snake. 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 S for snake. S for snake. S for ship. And S for sun.